The SOYUS 2-in-1 Cordless Hedge Trimmer is a versatile tool capable of seamlessly transitioning between a grass shear and a hedge trimmer with the push of a blade release button. Powered by a robust motor and a 21-volt 2.0 ampere-hour battery, this handheld trimmer offers superior cutting ability and extended battery life, providing up to 2 hours of continuous use. For added safety, the trimmer is equipped with a double switch mechanism that only allows operation when both switches are simultaneously pressed, reducing the risk of accidental startups. The trimmer head can be rotated 90 degrees, allowing for multi-angle cutting and providing the flexibility to handle tight spots, reducing strain on the wrist and offering a customized mowing experience based on terrain and grass height. Despite its power and versatility, the trimmer is lightweight, weighing only 2.4 pounds, and features an ergonomic handle for comfortable one-handed operation. It is worth noting that to ensure longer blade life, the blades should be cleaned promptly after use and kept dry when stored.